sharing with you this morning very briefly and quickly about a product that my husband and I recently purchased from Amazon. So basically we bought this, not the laptop. We did not purchase the laptop from Amazon, let me make that clear, but we purchased the laptop back in, I'm gonna say probably around 2011. And of course it came with the power cord. Well, actually when I was in class one day, it was tucked down in a charger on the floor and it had a lid, and because the lid wasn't closed just right, my professor came by and stomped and stopped on the lid. It was basically a brand new laptop at that point. And I believe that's why this problem was created. That's where the unraveling occurred way back then. It was nearly a brand new laptop. It got a little nick in it when it was slammed down like that. And it actually has worked up until this point, but it recently just unraveled really, really bad. And one day I plugged it in and it just stopped charging. So this is the original Apple charger. So we started looking for different options on Amazon and we went with an off-brand. So when it arrived, because it just arrived, I don't know, a few days, maybe a week ago. When it arrived, I plugged it in. It has the magnetic plug. It worked great. It has a little Velcro piece if you want to wrap your cord up and keep it smaller. It was small though, and so I told my husband, I was like, I think it's great. It works good. I was talking to him on the phone. I had plugged it in. I was like, but it's a little small. And I was like, but that's okay. And he was like, no, I think it will work. It will plug into the other thing, and it does. So this part is the new part. And then this part is the old part from Apple that came with our original laptop. So you can see it has this end right here. So everything works. It's everything is good so far, so good. So I told you it would be short. That's basically all I have to say about that. I give it my thumbs up of approval. And we even got a little, I meant to bring this and show it on the video, but they even provided a little $5 Amazon gift card that if I go and give them a review, then they will give us $5 for Amazon. You just have to screenshot it and email them. And so my husband and I'm like, well, that's great because that makes it even cheaper really. So anyways, that's my review. I give this 2, 3, 4, 5 thumbs up. It's working great. And I hope you will enjoy it too. There is a link below if you want to find the exact product that we purchased. May the adventures that lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that inspire you to be the best teacher and mom God created you to be. Have a happy day. Bye.